Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. For this sequence, we need few equipment. Sandbag. It could be a rolling towel. We're gonna place it underneath our knees. I'm using here rubber band. It could be replaced with yoga strap. Medicine ball. It could be, for example, can be pillows. Okay, foam roller would be great. Grab one. Grab something to put underneath your knees. Could be the towel rolling down. I'm just using the little weight to place under my knee. Okay? So here, it could be towel, something place under your knee, sitting down, knee stretched. Okay? And you're gonna put inhale, exhale. Place your knee down against the weight or towel. And flex your toes. So you may feel good stretch on your hamstring and calves. By inserting something underneath your knee, it's much easier than doing it in the flat surface. Okay? Inhale, exhale. And you don't have to completely straighten your knees. And as you exhale, start folding forward. Again, you don't have to touch the forehead on the knees. As long as you are feeling nice, good stretch around your glute, hamstring, and calf, posterior muscle. Stretch on the posterior muscle is good. And place your knee against the rolling towel or on the weight. Try to feel the stretch on your lower back, hips, hamstring, and calf. And inhale as you exhale, back to straight center, and remove the towel or weight. Okay, so now I want you to grab some kind of a roller, foam roller I'm using here, or doesn't have to be roller, could be something a little bit higher to lift up, insert underneath your knees. Okay. And from here, so we're gonna do a modified ankle pump. Then lifting up, flex, point, flex, and point, flex, point. We're gonna repeat this between 10 to 20. I'm gently activate posterior muscle. My glute engaging by doing ankle pump, and I'm using front quadricep and also hamstring, and also my calf. And now let's do the other side. And release. Now, we're gonna work on pushing inward to develop adductor muscle, right? So I'm here grabbing medicine ball and sit comfortably and I'm pressing, grab underneath and then pressing my knee against the ball and hold. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly bring medicine ball down. So we're gonna repeat this one more time. Medicine ball in between your knees and press inwardly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And slowly down. So now we're gonna use the band, rubber band, or some kind of strap to wrap around your knee, and then we're gonna press outward. Wrap around your knee, and we're gonna pump out your knees outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I'm feeling really nice, deep stretch and warmth around my glute. Okay? So now I'm gonna put all the equipment out. And now bend one knee and straighten the other. Keep your toes straight. Okay? I'm keeping my heel tucked. Okay? And from here, inhale, exhale. As you exhale, stretch your heels, pressing outward. Palms down. Inhale, as you exhale, slide your heels out. Inhale, exhale, sending your heels away from your own body. Let's stretch about 5 breaths. And now, bring it to center. Let's do the other side. Toes straight, bend, straighten your knee. And as you inhale and exhale, sending your heels away. And back to center. So now, flat down on your belly. Okay? So bend left and press behind your right knee. And inhale, exhale, flatten your belly, and then you can rest your forehead down on the mat or keep your gaze up. Okay, so inhale, as you exhale, press your glute down. So I am really feeling nice, good stretch around your hip, around my hip flexor, and also around your hips. Inhale, and as you exhale, press your knee, your bending knee down to the mat, digging down to the mat. And stretch here between 5 to 8 deep breaths. And now switch other side. Now bend my right and hook behind left knee. And as inhale, as you exhale, press your hips down and press your bending knee down. Create openness on your hips. And deep psoas stretch. And after 5 to 8 deep breaths, release. Because now, flip around, lay down on your back. And all four limbs stretch out. Inhale, open your mouth, sigh out. Take final pose of Shavasana. Let it go. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!